This is called Hi-Hat City. What we're gonna do is just only work with one pad in the metronome. I'm gonna show you different variations how we can get nasty with the rolls. We're just using the hi-hat. Go ahead and pull out the kit that you downloaded from the site. Jump into the hi-hats folder. And we're gonna go ahead and go to Jug and put that on pad 3 or whatever pad. Honestly, it really doesn't matter what pad because we're only working with one today. Go back to your main menu, make sure the BPM is set on 120, and also for the metronome, make sure it's on a record play so we can have a click track when it plays back. All right, I'm gonna start off with a simple hi-hat structure I'm sure that everybody can do. Follow along, let's go. We're gonna use 2 hands. Back to this. Hang with me. 2 hands. So the reason why I have you switching hands is because there's lots of variations where I'm using this hand to trigger the hi-hat and I'm using this hand. So you want to get them very comfortable and equally matched so you can hit some nasty stuff. Let's practice another one. This one's going to turn up just a little bit more. Ready? It's not a hard thing to do, it's just the timing and staying on the beat and the rhythm is where you really have to practice and where you have to shine. Let's do another one. Hope you're practicing that right there. I'm gonna do one more. This one's gonna be a little bit hard. This is for my show off. I wanna prove that they're worthy. Let's see what we got. That's the thing. Staying on that click track. Take it. Because what that's gonna introduce you to is practice that, you'll be in good shape. This is Hi-Hat City. Practice, and I will see you on the next lesson. Peace.